Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Galaxy model and One UI version, so you choose compatible packages. Next, install Galaxy Store and GoodLock if available, plus a keyboard like Gboard or Fancy Key. You'll use the keyboard for emoji replacement without rooting. Then download a trusted iOS-style font or an app such as Z Font with a no-root installation path. Once done, make sure downloads match your Android level so the theme installer can apply changes cleanly and avoid conflicts. You now apply the selected pack. Open the theme or Z Font app and pick the iOS font plus the emoji set. Choose the no root apply method. Either install as a theme, set the keyboard emoji, or use an overlay if offered. Grant necessary permissions for fonts or overlays and follow on-screen prompts. The app may request to restart the system UI or reboot your phone. Make sure to set your default keyboard to the one you installed if emoji come from the keyboard rather than the system font. You finish by rebooting and checking apps, messages, WhatsApp, and system menus for the new font and emoji. If glyphs look wrong, reapply the package or switch to the keyboard's emoji set instead of a system font. Clearing the theme or launcher cache can help. If changes don't persist, One UI security or an Android update may block overlays. Make sure you installed a version flagged for your One UI or try a different pack. One key tip: always keep backups and note how to undo changes before applying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.